Hello guys, welcome to Code Vedanam. Today we will learn how we can create this custom shape image views in Android Studio. So without wasting much time, let's go for coding now. I have this simple project and have an image view in this project. Now just close the image, go to activity main.xml and now add an grid layout and height will match parent and width is match parent and height will be wrap content and column count 2 and row count 2. Now in this we have to constrain this grid layout, so constrain it in the center, add the top constraint, now left and right, so it is constrained in the center. Now we have to add shapeable image view. This is a component of material library, shapeable image view. It is just like an image view. Now add some margin 10 dp and assign the source as we assign in simple image view. I think we should add height and width so that the images will be of a square shape. Layout height of 150 dp and layout width 150 dp. Okay, so this is an square image view now just close this tag and copy this image view 4 times. Okay, I think we should change this width to prep content so that these images will come in the center. We have to add scale type center crop so that it will expand, fill over the image view. Scale type center crop, scale type center crop. Okay, this is perfect and so we have added these 4 image views. Now just go to values and themes.xml and the resource tag, add an style and I will name as rounded image style. And we will assign parent as shape appearance dot material component dot medium view component. Okay, so this is parent of this style and now add some item. So first item is corner family. So in the shapeable image view we have 2 type of corner families. First is rounded and second is cut. So for making a rounded corner image view we will use the corner family rounded and corner size is just like assigning corner radius. 10%, and now come back to image view. Okay. Now we assign this shape appearance overlay and rounded image style. So we have assigned this rounded image style to the first image view, and I know actually you are not able to visible the rounded corners because this has Android Studio IDE has some error in the preview, so it will be looking perfectly fine when we run the app. So this is just a preview issue, nothing more than that. Okay, so I think corner size should be 15%, so it will look good. Now copy this style 4 times. Now the second style we will create is circle image view, and we just have to change the corner size from 15% to 50% so that it will make it a circle. And here we will create a corner cut image style, so I name as corner cut image style, corner cut image style. Okay, and here we have to change the corner family. Now we will use the corner family cut, and okay, now we have to create the fourth style, so name it as custom image style, custom image style. Okay. Now just remove this corner size, remove this, add an item corner size, and we have to use this corner size top right, top left, and bottom left, and 15%, and corner size top right. So top right, and give the same value. Now at the bottom left corner, so corner size bottom left, corner size bottom left, and give the same value, 15%. Now go back to main activity and assign other styles as well. So shape appearance overlay, and pass the circle style here, circle image style, and assign corner cut style here, so shape appearance overlay and corner cut style, corner cut style. Now the fourth one, assign the custom image style, custom image style. I think we have made some mistake. Go to themes. Oh yeah, so we have to assign this all values to 50% as we want to make them corners as circular. So 50%, 3 corners are circular and 1 is normal corner. Just look at the design, and I think you might be able to look the cuts that's it, the code. Now just run the app. So Gradle build is running. And here it is. Okay, so here you can see all the shapes and the cuts. First one is the rounded corner, second one is the circle, and third one is the corner cut, and the fourth one, this is the custom style. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I will put this code in the comment section, so you can find the code there. And thanks for watching. Visit our blog. This is the URL codevedanam.blogspot.com. And if you learn something new from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Vedanam for further new videos. Thank you.